Hello friends. If you're an entrepreneur, you will always have an issue for designing stuffs, whether it be social media posters or banners or your sales posters, your visiting card, etc. As an entrepreneur, it will always be an extra burden on you because they require a designer and they have good cost as well. So if you have this problem, I have a brilliant solution for you, free, and you can do it yourself. So keep looking at this video and you'll find the solution. So friends, if you have a need of a designer and you think it's a huge cost on you when it comes to hiring people for designing your Facebook banners and your visiting card or maybe your sales banner, etc., then I have a brilliant solution. It's called Canva. You must, it's my recommendation that you must use Canva app and use it to your benefit for designing all kinds of banner whichever are possible, at least to start with, and later on you can hire a designer to work for you, but initially it's completely free and you can do it yourself. So today I'm going to show you how Canva works. I'm sharing my screen now, and I'll show you how Canva application looks like. So okay, here is my screen. So this is how Canva will look. This is the logo of Canva application, and when you log in, it will look like this. For example, yeah. So it starts with create a design, and now I will show you what are the facilities of this application. So if you click on create or design, it will ask you what are the types of design you want to create, and now see, this is brilliant. Social media posts, so all kinds of social media posts, Twitter post, it already knows the best dimensions of the post. Any square social media, Pinterest, Facebook app, Tumblr, Instagram post, all kinds of social media posts, documents. If you want to design a letterhead or maybe a magazine cover or a resume or an yearbook, here are the templates already available. Blogging, if you are a blogger, then you need to add some pictures in between. These are the templates here. CD cover, infographics, all sorts of stuffs. Infographic is, by the way, one of the most brilliant content you can make for your blogs. Then marketing material, posters, flyers, menu, logo, brochures, labels, business cards. Social media, again, event cover, YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnails are the pictures which you see just before the video. Tumblr banner, YouTube channel art. See, all kinds of stuff. I don't think, even Etsy shop icon as well. So Etsy shop cover as well. So all kinds of things are available here. Let's see how it works. If I have to design, let's say a YouTube thumbnail. So if I click on YouTube thumbnail, it opens in a new tab, and in this new tab you will see all kinds of templates which are available for free. Here you can see it's written free here. Some are paid, but you can always focus on the free ones, and there are absolutely brilliant ones for free as well. So let's say if I have to design something for my YouTube banner, then let's say this is my template, and now I can play with this template. So this has basically three parts. One is this area, the left hand side, the right hand side, and this font. And what I can do here is, suppose I have to choose this area, and now I can upload my picture. Let's design something for this video which I'm making right now. I have already designed it, but I will show you again. So let's say I go to uploads, and I have already uploaded my picture here. My picture goes here, simple. And now the text would be, I'm clicking on the text, and I can write how to use Canva. Right, this is the topic. I can put it here. I can write my name here, and I have also uploaded here. This is the place where you can upload your picture or your logos, and these are all your custom logos. And mind well, Canva doesn't add a watermark in their picture, so it's completely free. No obligations, and you can increase the size here, and that's it. And this is how you design. I personally would like to have a white background, so I can delete this, but these were written in white, so I change it to red. Yeah, and this gets changed to red, and this as well, red. And yeah, you can place them here, and yeah, this looks good. So this is how you can design a Facebook banner. See, this is this simple. Now I can show you, and you can of course just download it here, and it gets downloaded. You want to download a PNG or a JPG, all depends on you. Just download, and it gets downloaded without any watermark as well. Let's wait for the download, and I will show you some more steps in this. Yeah, I don't want to post, it gets downloaded here. And if I have to open, you will see how it looks. This is how it will look, and I can upload it on my YouTube channel, and yeah, super cool. It has, if you have to design something very custom and not the templates, then here are on the left hand side there are a lot of options here. So you can choose a layout, Canva layout, or there are a lot of layouts which you can choose here. Then elements, if you want some grid elements, for example, you want to divide your banner into these kind of formats, then there are grid elements available. Then there are some frames, lines. So these are custom lines which you can add to your see, like these. If I wanted to add maybe a divider or something, or any design, any other design. Then some arrows as well. So these will be especially useful for making infographics and all sorts of banners. Even these kind of designs are possible here. Text, you can add a lot of different kinds of text. See, these are the kinds of text which are available. They look fabulous. For example, let's say if you have this looks like an event kind of a font, then just increase this, and because it's white, so yeah. Oh, by the way, I have to show you one thing as well. So when you click on this, if you click on arrange, then you can move it forward or backwards, huh? So see, now it went behind the arrow, and if you click on forward, then it will come on. Oh, yeah, it comes in front of the arrow. So this is the way you can edit. You can copy and duplicate this element, increase the size, decrease the size, change colors, bold, and yeah, and of course you can make transparent as well. So if I can use this, then it becomes a little transparent as well. So it all depends on your own creativity. Use it to your own benefits. You can add some backgrounds here as well. So a black means this, like, sorry, a red means this, and see, this is how you can just quickly change your backgrounds, whichever you select. This is my picture, so this no use, but this you can change. And of course, upload was your own custom upload. So you can see it's so simple. It's really lovely. I would again recommend you to use Canva if you are an entrepreneur, and if you want to save cost on your designing. This is a super application. This is also available on mobile phone and on mobile as well. It's as simple as this one. So you can upload your videos on YouTube or make pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, and you can directly use it through Canva. So this was all about Canva, and let me know if you like the video. I keep coming with these kinds of videos in which I will tell you all the free tools and free stuffs which you can do yourself. You don't have to incur any extra cost, and as an entrepreneur you will enjoy all these stuffs. So keep watching our channel Page Potato. I am Piyush. Bye bye.